Welcome to my dear students. Today we will read the story The Baula and the Tiger. So listen the story carefully and try to understand. So let's begin the story The Baula and the Tiger. There was a cow named Baula. She had only a male calf. Every day she fed her son and went to the nearby forest with other cows. In the evening, she returned home and lived with her son. One day, Baula went deep into the forest to graze. At once, a big tiger came out of the bush and caught Baula to eat. Baula requested the tiger, crying, "Oh, uncle, tiger, please be kind to me. Let me return home only to feed my son for the last time and come back to you to be your food. I do promise, must come back before evening." The tiger was kind and believed her word. He said, "All right, go home, but remember your promise." Baula came back home and fed her calf milk. She then came back to the tiger in the forest crying. The tiger was glad and said, "Mother Baula, you told the truth and kept your promise. Now you have become my mother and the mother of all. I cannot eat you. Go home and live with your son happily." Baula thanked and tiger and returned home. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏହି ଗପଟି ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ିଲି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏହାକୁ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କିଛି ବୁଝାଇଦେବି, ତାକୁ ବୁଝିଯିବ। There was a cow named Baula. ବଉଳା ନାମରେ ଏକ ଗାଈ ଥିଲା। ସେ ତାର ଏକ କୁନି ବାଛୁରୀ ଥିଲା। ଏଭ୍ରିଡେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ she fed her son. ଫେଡ୍ ମାନେ ଖୁଆଉଥିଲା। her son ତାର ଛୁଆକୁ ବାଛୁରୀକୁ and went to the nearby. nearby ମାନେ ନିକଟବର୍ତ୍ତୀ। ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ଲେଖୁ ତ nearby ନିକଟବର୍ତ୍ତୀ। ନିକଟବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ଚରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା। went to the nearby forest with other cows. ଅନ୍ୟ ଗାଈମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ other ମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗାଈ ସହ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ ଚରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା। In the evening she returned. ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ସମୟରେ ସେ ଘରକୁ ଫେରୁଥିଲା। Home and lived with her son. ତାର ପୁଅ ବା ବାଛୁରୀ ସହିତ, ସେ ଅଣ୍ଡିରା ବାଛୁରୀ ସହିତ ରହୁଥିଲା ବଉଳା। One day Baula went deep into the forest to graze. ଦିନକର କଥା, one day ମାନେ ଦିନେ। ଦିନକର କଥା, Baula went deep into the forest. ଘଞ୍ଚ ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ, forest ମାନେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ, to graze ଚରିବାକୁ ଗଲା। At once a big tiger came out. ହଠାତ୍ ଏକ ବଡ଼ ବାଘ ଚାଲି ଆସିଲା। To the bush, out of the bush and caught, ତାକୁ ଧରିଲା। caught Baula to eat. ବଉଳାକୁ ଧରିଲା, କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଖାଇବି। Baula requested, ବଉଳା ତାକୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କଲା। requested to tiger, crying, ଚିତ୍କାର କଲା, "Oh uncle tiger, ହେ ବାଘ ମାମୁଁ, please be kind to me, ମୋତେ ଦୟା କର। Let me return home only to feed my son for the last time and come back to you to be your food." ତେଣୁ ସେ କହିଲା, "ବାଘ ମାମୁଁ, ଘରେ ମୋର କୁନି ବାଛୁରୀଟି ଅଛି। ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଶେଷ ଥର ପାଇଁ କିଛି ତାକୁ ଖୁଆଇକିରି ଆସିବି। ପୁଣି ଆସିବି, ମୋତେ ଖାଇବୁ। ଏବେ ଖାଅ ନାହିଁ। I do promise, ମୁଁ ଶପଥ କରୁଛି, I must come back before evening, ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଯିବି। ଏକଥା ବାଘ ମାମୁଁଙ୍କୁ କହିଲା, ପ୍ରତିଶ୍ରୁତି ଦେଲା। ଦି ଟାଇଗର ୱାଜ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ, ସତରେ ବାଘ ଗୋଟେ ଦୟାଳୁ ଥିଲା। କାଇଣ୍ଡ, ଦୟାଳୁ। ଆଣ୍ଡ ବିଲିଭଡ୍ ହେୟାର ୱାର୍ଡ, ତା କଥା ଶୁଣି ସେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କଲା, କଥାରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କଲା। ହି ସେଡ୍, ସେ କହିଲା, ଅଲ୍ ରାଇଟ୍, ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ଗୋ ହୋମ୍ ବଟ୍ ରିମେମ୍ବର ୟୋର ପ୍ରମିସ୍, ଯାଅ କିନ୍ତୁ ମନେ ରଖ ତୁମର ଶପଥକୁ ମନେ ରଖି ଫେରି ଆସିବ। ବଉଳା କ୍ୟାମ୍ ବ୍ୟାକ୍, ବଉଳା ଘରକୁ ଗଲା। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫେଡ୍ ହେର୍ କାଲ୍ଫ ମିଲ୍କ, ତାର ଛୁଆକୁ କ୍ଷୀର ପିଆଇଲା। କ୍ଷୀର ପିଆଇ she then came back to the tiger in the forest crying, କାନ୍ଦି କାନ୍ଦି ବାଘ ପାଖକୁ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା। The tiger was glad, glad ମାନେ ଖୁସି, and said, glad ମାନେ ଖୁସି ହେଲା ଏବଂ କହିଲା, the tiger glad and said, mother ବଉଳା, ବଉଳା ସତରେ ତମେ ତମର ଶପଥ ରକ୍ଷା କଲ। Truth and kept your promise, ରକ୍ଷା କଲ। Now you have become my mother, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତୁମେ ମୋର ମା। And the mother of all, ତମେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ମା। I cannot eat you, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଖାଇପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। Go home and live with your son happily, ତୁମ ବାଛୁରୀ ସହିତ ତମେ ଖୁସିରେ ରହ। ବଉଳା thanked the tiger and returned home, ବାଘଟି ବଉଳାକୁ କହିଲା, ତୁମେ ସତ କଥା କହି ନିଜ ପ୍ରତିଶ୍ରୁତି ରକ୍ଷା କଲ। ଆଜିଠାରୁ ତୁମେ କେବଳ ତୁମ ବାଛୁରୀର ମା ନୁହଁ, ମୋର ମା, ସମଗ୍ର ସଂସାରର ମା ପରି ପୂଜନୀୟ। ତେଣୁ ବାଘଟି ତାର ହିଂସ୍ର ପ୍ରବୃତ୍ତି ଭୁଲି ବଉଳାକୁ ନିଜର ମାତା ଭାବରେ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କଲା ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ନ ଖାଇ ସସମ୍ମାନ ନିଜ ବାଛୁରୀ ପାଖକୁ ଫେରିଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଅନୁମତି ଦେଲା। ସତରେ ଏହି କାହାଣୀଟି ହୃଦୟସ୍ପର୍ଶୀ। ଏହି କାହାଣୀ ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ ଶିଖାଇ ଦିଏ? ମୋରାଲ ହେଉଛି ସତ୍ୟର ସଦା ଜୟ ହୁଏ। ଯଦି ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ନିଜ ଜୀବନରେ ସତ୍ୟ ଧର୍ମ ମାର୍ଗରେ ଚାଲେ, ତେବେ ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ବିପଦ ବା ଶତ୍ରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାକୁ ତା'ର କିଛି କ୍ଷତି କରିପାରେ ନାହିଁ। ଏହି କବିତାର ଏହି ଗଳ୍ପର ସାର କଥା ଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ଏହାର ସାର କଥା ସରିଲା। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଏହାର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତରକୁ ସଂକ୍ଷେପରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। Question number 1, what was the name of the cow? What was the name of cow? The name of cow was Baula. How many calves did she have? She had one calf. She had one calf. Question number 3, what did Baula do every day? ବଉଳା ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କ'ଣ କରେ? Every day ବଉଳା went to the forest to graze on green grass and returned home in the evening to feed her calf. ତାପରେ 4 ନମ୍ବର question number 4, did she go deep into the forest? Yes, one day she went deep into the forest in search of sweet grass. Question number 5, what did the tiger do? What did the tiger do? Answer, the tiger rode and blocked her path to kill and eat her. Question number 6, what did Baula request the tiger? Baula requested the tiger to let her go home just once to feed her hungry calf. Question number 7, what did she promise him? She promised the tiger that she would definitely return to him after feeding her calf. Question number 8, what was the tiger kind to her to live? Answer, yes, the tiger felt pity after hearing her words and allowed her to live. Question number 9, What did the tiger ask Bowla to do? The tiger asked Bowla to keep her promise and return quickly. Question number 10. Did Bowla return to the tiger? Yes, Bowla returned to the tiger as per her promise. Question number 11. Why did she return? Why did she return to the tiger? Question number 11. Why did she return to the tiger? She returned to the tiger because she was truthful and valued her promise above her own life. Question number 12. The tiger was glad to see Bowla. Why? The tiger was glad and surprised to see her because he did not accept a prey to actually return to die just to keep a promise. Question number 13. What did the tiger say to her? The tiger said that her truthfulness had changed his heart and he refused to eat such an honest animal. He told her to return safely to her calf. Question number 14. Why do you like the tiger? I like the tiger because he showed mercy, respected the truth, and let Bowla go free in end. Question number 15. What do you learn from the story? We learn that truth wins and that we should always keep our promises no matter how difficult the situation is. ଏହାର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କଲେ। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କାଳାଂଶରେ ପୁଣି ଅନ୍ୟ ଏକ ପାଠରେ ଦେଖା ହେବ। ରହୁଛି। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।